Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap and welcome to the Trick or Treat Treasure Team collab. This is a collaboration that we are bringing you 4 weeks worth of projects. Check out the playlist in the description box below for all the fun creators that are joining on this collaboration and the playlist that has been created so you can watch all of the fun videos. So last week was week 1 and we did cards and tags, and this week is albums. So I chose to do a flip album here. I used a die that I received in the beginning of September. And so I played around with this a bit and used some odds and ends that I had in my stash. This is an older paper collection from Country Craft Creations. I went ahead and used some gold foil paper here. This is the Voodoo doll from Scrap Diva Designs. I used some foam to pop up this little heart here and to put these little foil pins through. And I have some ribbons here that I got from Michael's, and let's just do a flip. So let's see the back side of this. This is some fun little sparkly bits from the Dollar Tree, and then I have one of the cut aparts here, and then I use some foil paper on this black artisan cardstock to make a fun little matting. Okay, then I have this fun little tag pocket here. It has the little coffins on it, and this is another die that is from Scrap Diva Designs, and it comes with this Trick or Treat shadowed word set. So that's really fun. Flip that over, and then here's the next one. I have some fun little cut aparts. I just glued on 2 sides. It's a little ephemera piece so that I could use it as a tuck spot for this right here. I used my corner punch for this little photo mat right there. Okay, flip that over. I have on the back side another one of cut aparts from the collection. I think this is Midnight Potions that I used from Country Craft Creations, and I don't remember where these cut aparts are from, but they've been in my stash for a while, so I needed to use those. Here's another little tag from the collection. I just put a backing on it with some artisan cardstock. I have some fun little scatter pieces for the table that I had in my stash. So I'm going to give that away. And then here's another piece of ephemera on the next tag. And again, I made a little photo matting here. Tuck that in. Okay, and then on the back side of that one, again, another little tuck spot for some little cut aparts there, and another piece of that fun purple embellishment from Dollar Tree. Another little tag here from the cut aparts, and again, this fun purple. And then on the back side, I used some of the glow paste that is from Ranger, and I used a stencil, a new stencil from Tim Holtz that is the skeleton. So in the dark, this does glow. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so that is my little voodoo doll tag album. And then I went ahead and made a second one here. This is the Spiderweb album from Scrap Diva Designs. I have broom parking, that's part of the September release from her, and the little broom here that is a shaker bit broom. The shaker bits themselves are from Buttons Galore and More that I received from Country Craft Creations. And then I've used this black seam binding from Country Craft Creations. I have a foam sticker here from the Hallows Eve paper collection, and then I pop these words up on some foam. I have a paper ruffle underneath that I've had in my stash for a while, and then I layered this front up with this silver foil paper from Country Craft Creations as well. It's a bit sturdy paper. Alright, then I have some, flipping this over, I've used some of the ephemera pieces that I picked up from Michael's and punched a hole in the top of this card ephemera piece, put some seam binding in it, and just glued this frame on 3 sides so that it could become a little tuck spot there. And then on the next page, I have used one of the 6x6 collections that I've had in my stash. I had a few sheets left over from prior projects, so I went ahead and used that up. So you see these fun little witches there. Lovely gold foil on the back with those butterflies. I glued this in 2 spots here and put a fun little just piece of black cardstock there with another ephemera piece from Michaels, just like that. This is repurposed ribbon, sparkly ribbon, and little jack-o'-lantern that I had received from someone with a swap, and then I have a couple pieces there from Michaels. This is a little spiderweb die cut that I had received in a prior swap, and then I just ripped up some paper to make some photo mats, and that's from a prior swap as well. Thought that was fun. That little orange button there as well. Flip this over. I have another piece of ephemera piece that I just glued in 2 little areas, and then tucked in a couple little ephemera pieces there, and made another little booklet out of some cardstock with some of the paper that I was trying to use up from that collection. So there's that. And then here I just made a little flip with another piece of cardstock, and then I glued it on 3 sides so that it would have another fun little tuck spot in the back here. So that is my second album. That is these ribbons. Again, they were from Michaels, and I thought that was just really fun. I hope that you have enjoyed these 2 projects. Again, make sure to check out the other ladies that are in this collaboration, bringing you some fun Halloween crafting and hopefully giving you some ideas to use things out of your stash. Okay, everyone, have a good day, and until next time, happy crafting, you all. Goodbye.